How to block YouTube channel on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can block YouTube channel on mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to block a YouTube channel on mobile, it is actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is open the YouTube application on your device, and once you've done that, go to a certain channels whom you might say you want to block. So let's say this is a channel. Now I don't have anything against this channel, I'm just only showing it for the tutorial purposes. So once they come to the channel page, what I need to do is I need to tap the three dots icon located at the top right hand side of the screen, and here you can see report, hide user, or whatever else you prefer here. Or you can also just go to the settings option. What you can do from here is tap the three dots option and then tap on hide user from my channel. You can simply tap on the hide user, and this hide user basically means that it's actually blocking hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel. You can basically hide them, and you will also not be able to see their videos and so on. And this way you can block a certain channel on YouTube mobile. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.